What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video, and today I thought I would go over some order flow analysis and mainly focus on exhaustion in the order flow and also absorption in the order flow. So when prices reverse or there's about to be a change in the direction of price, order flow can help you make a precision entry and also understand where things are being exhausted and where the absorption's happening. So this is a chart from yesterday, which is March the 12th, and the ES S&P 500 mini futures contract. And you see here, this is the open. It chops around, huge buyers coming in, and it pushes the price up here all the way to about 2802, 2803s. So this was a key level from previous resistance in the past few months actually, and I was focusing in on the order flow at this point. So you see here at this price level here, you have 11,686 delta to the buy side, and this is the aggressive buying here. So you see there's two, you have the bid and the ask here, and there's trades on both sides. Normally you'll see like there's trades on one side and there's none on the other side. So this is not a complete auction. I can go over incomplete auctions in another video. Leave me a comment if you want to see that, and if you have any questions about that. So prices drop back down. I see the prices attempt again, and this time here we have 9,943 delta, positive delta, and price couldn't go higher. So you see some exhaustion here. So where are these 9,943 positive delta calculations coming from? So you see here, you have a few thousand trades hitting the ask, lifting the ask. Here you got 4,300 or so, 3,700, 2,000, 2,600 versus the bid side. So you see in the 1,000s and the 700, 800s, 400s. So you see all the way up here, prices are hitting the ask, and it's exhausting. So it's the buyers are exhausting out their trades. So they keep buying and buying and buying, but it's not enough buying pressure to actually lift the price any higher. So when this bar closed and it opened up again here, I see I was looking for my entry. So it popped up 0 by 31 trades. It came back down. I slammed back down on a 400 bid, and again, see here, try to lift 1,094, and it couldn't. So basically it came back down again. So what I did was I entered short here, and you'll see the order flow coming down here again, and 2,400 hit the bid, 900, 2,200, giving you still a 2,100 positive delta. However, there was a down bar. So I'm in here, and next bar it drops here. Next bar it drops. Now the sellers are coming in and realizing that price is going lower. So we got 13,440 hitting negative delta here. So you see that, look at the delta, 6,700, 3,700, 4,600, all hitting the bid here. And here is another unfinished auction here. So this is a bad auction here. So from here I'm just going to, like, that's the exhaustion, right? So you see the exhaustion here coming up here. So large buyers, but then nothing continuing. So as it goes here, it drops basically from 2,600 down to 600, down to 200. Yeah, you get this 1,300, but pushing up, but prices couldn't get higher, and it again trades about 700 here at the top. So that's exhaustion. Now I'm gonna replay the rest of this. These are 5-minute candles. Just look at the absorption. So this is the pullback. So I basically got in here and I scaled out some, and then I was waiting for a pullback to reload. So let's play this, replay this. Again, this is on sim, so this is just I took trades on live. However, this is just a sim replay just to show you the exhaustion and order flow absorption here. Okay, so so you see here trading. Maybe I'll speed this up a little bit because you're going to sit here a long time, for 5 minutes here actually, at least. So you'll see prices moving around. Let's speed this up one speed here. Okay, and see it pops up here to 3,800 trade, right? So 3,800 trade, and prices don't go higher. So now you're already at a 33, almost 3,400 plus delta. You see some hitting the bid. Okay, it goes higher than that. 18 trade at the ask. So I'm waiting and stalking this for reload to see if there was any absorption. Okay, looks like prices are pushing higher. Boom, look at that. 7,270 or so, 75 traded at the ask. All that got absorbed. So look at that. Like, I mean, you don't see that kind of trade at the ask. So I don't know if that was one buyer or something, but it just appeared up like pretty instantly. So 7,200 or so hit the ask, lifted the offer. Prices do not continue. There is a huge seller here absorbing all that. So that's absorption. And you see prices immediately drop here. At this point, it dropped pretty quick. Like, I'm looking for a reload here. So when prices rise, if prices come back here, you can expect there's going to be some form of defense against this from this short seller, or this one player that absorbed 7,200 contracts or so. So in relativity to the other numbers that you see here, so you don't really see the 7,000 plus at one price level usually. So, and you can see this is the point of control, which is the most traded price in this bar, this 5-minute bar. So yeah, that's basically a review of price exhaustion, and then again here at the reload, price absorption here again. So you get in here and you manage your trade here for a short. So let's just speed this up a bit. So now you see prices basically drop pretty fast, and you can scale out and manage your trade that way. So that's a quick review of price exhaustion in order flow and price absorption in the order flow. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like. I'm looking to make more videos, but I need to understand if people are finding value in these videos. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.